show, and we're talking about someone else. Well, we should be talking about ourselves. It's the same old situation. You've always got me waiting. Come on, dear, I think time's a wasting before we have to go back inside.
Okay, so now I cut up some banana leaves, like normal size, and now you just take a carton box, not plastic carton, because paper, because it's better for fermenting than plastic, and black is better because it gets more heat than white. And so now I'm gonna show you. You're just gonna lay out some banana leaves on the sides and on the bottom. That the cocoa beans don't lay on the paper, they lay on the banana leaves.
There's something bad about to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose.
So now I did a pretty thick coat on the bottom, on the sides it's also good. And now I'm just gonna crack up the cocoa beans and put all the beans in there. As you guys know, maybe these beans are very good to eat. They have like a white flesh on them. It's not much, but it tastes really good, and you can make juice out of them too. And at the end I usually put some sugar in, and this, I don't know how it's called in English, it's for making bread, you know, like the yeast, exactly, yeast. And I put some yeast in and some sugar. That helps fermenting, goes faster. That's how I usually do it, and at the end I just cover it with a t-shirt so that the heat really doesn't escape, and I put it in the sun. Okay, so it has been a week that they've been sitting in this box. Here's the box after a week, and here's the top, and after they dry, after they're all dried, you just grill them in the oven, and that should be good. So now you just take a handful and you put it in the oven. Okay, so now I got them out, and they're nice and brown, and normally the outer shell, it peels off really easy. And then you have the cacao nibs. So after that it's like a patty, like this. I just put some sugar, some honey in it, so it gets a bit sweet, not too much. After I put it in a bag, I just squeeze it and form it. So now for 1 hour in the fridge, so it gets hard. So here's the final product. Now that's pure cacao, and you can just eat it like this or cook with it or put it in your cereal too, and it's solid. It stays solid, you don't have to freeze it all the time.
I'll never forget it when Abby calls me. I'll never forget when I was lonely.